Let's be honest. You're not lazy. You're overloaded. It's 2026. Your brain is juggling notifications, AI shortcuts, group chats, endless scrolling, and then you're expected to just focus. Traditional advice like put your phone away doesn't work when your entire life is inside that phone. If you feel burnout, if you feel like you're studying but not actually learning, if you feel mentally fried before you even start, you don't lack discipline. You just haven't activated your inner genius workflow. Today I'm giving you 3 science-backed hacks that actually work in 2026. Hack number 1, the digital sunlight reset. Before you open a book, before you start a timer, before you tell yourself, this time I'll focus, you need a reset. We are overstimulated by blue light and fast content. When you jump from scrolling to studying, part of your brain is still stuck on what you just consumed. Psychologists call this attentional residue. So here's the fix. 5 minutes. No screens. No music. No stimulation. Sit near natural light. Or use a warm lamp. Breathe slowly. This signals your brain to shift from reactive mode to focus mode. It lowers mental noise. It reduces stress. It primes you for deep work. 5 minutes of stillness before study will save you hours of distracted effort. Hack number 2, AI partnering, not AI replacing. This is where most students mess up in 2026. They use AI to write notes for them, and then they wonder why they forget everything. Listen carefully. If AI can explain it better than you, you didn't learn it. You outsourced it. The inner genius doesn't work harder. It works smarter. Here's how to use AI correctly. Feed your syllabus into your favorite AI tool. Ask it to act as a Socratic tutor. Tell it to test you. Tell it to challenge you. If you can't explain the concept clearly back, you don't know it yet. This is active recall on steroids. Use AI to test your brain, not replace your brain. And before you think, I've tried everything, you probably haven't tried this next one. Hack number 3, the 90-minute pulse. Forget 25-minute Pomodoros. 25 minutes is enough to warm up, not enough to go deep. Your brain works in 90-minute Ultradian cycles. So instead of studying all day, give yourself one powerful 90-minute pulse. Rules. Hardest task first. Phone in another room. No switching subjects. No multitasking. Just one deep attack. When that 90-minute block is done, you've already won the morning. Most people spend 8 hours studying. You'll accomplish more in 90 focused minutes than they do all day. That's how geniuses operate. Motivation is a feeling. Discipline is a decision. You don't need to feel inspired. You don't need the perfect mood. You don't need aesthetic notes. You just need to show up for one 90-minute pulse. That's it. Comment 90 pulse below if you're committing to one deep work block tomorrow. And tell me your biggest goal for 2026. Exam, grade, skill, anything. I'll be replying to as many of you as I can. This year isn't about studying more. It's about studying smarter. Let's get to work.